I think I see Newark, 12 o'clock.
8 Lima Alpha, North Tower is 1183.
118.3, 168 Lima Alpha. Newark Tower, Diamond 168 Lima Alpha, 10 miles to the north, 2,500, descending to traffic pattern altitude.
I'm in 168 Lima Alpha, Newark Tower, good afternoon, Newark altimeter 3043, clear Newark class Bravo airspace, area request.
3043, cleared into the Bravo, and we'd like to get a landing in at Newark, please.
Alright, Diamond 8 Lima Alpha, enter a left downwind for runway 4 left.
Left downwind, runway 4 left, 168 Lima Alpha. Alright, so we're going to go into heading mode.
Chopper 4 approved as requested.
Alright, a little bit, we're pretty much going to right on the 45 to enter the downwind.
Yeah.
2,100, coming down to 1,000.
And for 8 Lima Alpha, were you planning on a touch and go or do you want a full stop?
I request full stop, taxi back for a eastbound departure, 168 Lima Alpha.
8 Lima Alpha, roger.
Cool. Alright, fields in sight, we're on a 45. Entry to the left downwind 04. We'll go straight for the tower for now. Level it off.
Kind of a crazy sight.
Yeah.
Diamond 8 Lima Alpha, the wind 150 at 6 and gust 16. Caution right Sherman, previous departure CRJ, runway 4 left, you're clear to land.
4 left, clear to land, 168 Lima Alpha.